Hey everyone, Bobby D here again. Hey, real quick video here. A lot of content on YouTube of people talking about their 3 or 4 favorite things of their Superbike or their 3 or 4 worst things that they don't like about it. I'm going to talk about the one thing about the Gen6 Kawasaki ZX10r that I don't really like, or that just kind of pisses me off a bit. Let's get at it. Alright, I know this video is about the Gen6 Kawasaki ZX10r, but hey, I also ride around on a Harley Davidson Cruiser. It's my big moped. I kind of like it. But let's get to the one thing about this bike right here that I don't like. It has something to do with a Harley Davidson, a 2009 Harley Davidson. Now I know a lot of people are going to say, hey, but the ZX10r, this is a track breed, this is a race breed bike. Come on, man. This thing has got cruise control on it and enough technology to send it to the moon or something. The thing doesn't even have a throttle cable, fancy fuel injection, blip and traction control. But hey, my one gripe, Kawasaki, hey, come on, let's get with the times. It is a street bike. Let's add some self-canceling blinkers. For goodness sake, Harley Davidson, the formidable laughing stock of the motorcycle world these days, and yeah, I ride one, has got self-canceling blinkers on a Sportster, an old one next to it, and a 2009. So that's my one beef about the Gen 6 ZX10R. Kawi, let's add self-canceling